In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create milestones in a Gantt chart in Smartsheet, step by step in the simplest way possible. Milestones are extremely useful for highlighting key project checkpoints, like approvals, launches, or deadlines, and Smartsheet makes this very easy once you know where to look. If you're managing projects, timelines, or client work in Smartsheet, this is something you definitely want to master. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and productivity tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet that's already set up in Gantt view. If your sheet is not in Gantt view yet, make sure you have start date and duration columns enabled so the Gantt chart can display properly. Once you're in the Gantt view, take a look at your columns and locate the duration column. This column is very important because Smartsheet uses it to calculate how long each task runs on the timeline. Now, decide which task you want to turn into a milestone. Milestones in Smartsheet are essentially tasks with zero duration, so instead of creating a special milestone type, you simply adjust the duration value. Click into the duration cell for the task you want to use as a milestone. Carefully type 0 followed by days, so enter 0D or 0 days depending on your sheet's formatting. Once you press enter, Smartsheet will automatically recognize this task as a milestone. As soon as you do this, you'll notice a visual change in the Gantt chart. Instead of a horizontal taskbar, Smartsheet displays a diamond-shaped icon on the timeline. This diamond represents a milestone and clearly shows that this task happens at a specific point in time rather than over a span of days. This makes it much easier to identify critical checkpoints at a glance. You can now rename this task to clearly describe the milestone. For example, you might call it Project Kickoff, Design Approval, Client Sign-Off, or Final Delivery. Giving milestones clear names helps everyone on your team understand exactly what that point on the timeline represents. You can also move the milestone by adjusting the start date, and the diamond will shift accordingly on the Gantt chart. If you're working with dependencies, milestones can still be linked just like normal tasks. You can set predecessors so that the milestone only occurs once previous tasks are completed. This is especially useful for tracking progress and ensuring that key approvals or deadlines aren't missed. Once you've added all your milestones, take a moment to review your Gantt chart. You should now see a clear mix of taskbars and milestone diamonds, making your project timeline much easier to understand and present to stakeholders or clients. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created milestones in a Gantt chart in Smartsheet using the duration column. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more Smartsheet tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other features you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.